Welcome everybody. So today I want to show you how to use this template to make an impress design on the clay. So once you've made your impress design and it's been bisque fired, depending on how you glaze it, this can really show texture really well. So for me, I've got a whole bunch of these different kinds. And once you have your smooth slab cut to the size that you want, you can add on your design. Now you have a couple options. If your slab is the same thickness as the sticks, like it didn't get any flatter when you were smoothing, then you can just roll it on top of the sticks. If as you were smoothing, it got a little bit thin, you can lightly use the rolling pin from a couple different angles without the sticks, but you got to be real careful that when you do this, you're not changing the shape of the clay, like the thickness of the clay, because you don't want to end up with one side real thin and the other side real thick. You can also use your finger or a rib to really make sure that's pushed in real good. And then if you have a corner that you can lift up like that, great. Otherwise, just use a needle tool to pull up the edge. But as you go, kind of check and make sure that you can see the design, because if you can't, then stick it back down and redo that one little bit so you can make sure that it shows really well. Kind of check from both sides. And when you're sure it looks good, go ahead and take it off. And then let me zoom in so you can see the texture. So now that you've got this textured slab, you can add in you can make this into anything you want. I'm gonna use the mold and a piece of foam to make this into a bowl. All right, thanks everybody. Happy making.